Alright, back to the project refrigerator. This is a continuation of a couple days ago on the 25th of March. It's the 27th. Project is coming closer and closer to an end. To a finished deal here. Got the brake strips in, got the bottom cover on, the whole thing's painted up. I cleaned the brake strips. It's the molding that goes between the interior and the exterior. And then what I'm doing is just waiting for the door to dry, and I'll go ahead and give the door a second coat paint, real nice, smooth and shiny. Got the door latch in there. Polished all the stainless steel up that I could. Corners. Got the corners. This brake strip in the middle is a little damaged. It's livable though. It's up high. Clean them all up, man. Make them look pretty. Got a crack right here. It's better than it was before. But look at that thing. Shiny. Nice. Alright. Show you when it's done.